Modular Classroom in Internet Basics video series. Today we will see program 15, 16, 17, 18. All these four programs are related with Google Sheets. So our 15th question is to create a sheet to illustrate simple mathematical calculations using Google Sheet. And 16th question is to create a student's internal mark statement and to share that Google Sheet via link. And 17th is a question to create different types of charts with the internal mark statement that has been created. And 18th question is to create that particular internal mark statement and you have to download it as a PDF or .xls or .csv files. So all the four questions are we are going to concentrate on only one concept by creating an internal mark statement and applying some simple mathematical calculations by using that mark statement. So we will directly enter into the demo. From this Google Apps, you can click and choose Google Sheets. You can create a blank spreadsheet. As I have already created one's internal mark statement by giving the heading and the class name and the register number, name, and four subject mark I have entered here: English, C, Digital, and Maths. You can include the subject that you want. One more also, like Tamil or Hindi or French, you can include one more column also. But for this demo purpose, I have only created four columns. And for 10 students, I have created a mark statement. I have just entered the marks. The first question, 15th question, is to create a Google Sheet by using simple mathematical calculation. So first, I'm going to apply a simple calculation like I'm going to add the total mark for this particular student, register number 1000. So in this total column, I'm just clicking equal to symbol, and once you see auto suggestion is being asked, like press enter to select the suggestion. Sum of it indicates the column E8 to H8. Automatically it gives you the suggestion, and if you need or if it is the suggestion that is being given is correct, you can just click on that so that the formula enters here and you can click on enter. Once you click on this enter button, you can also see another autofill suggestion by asking that particular calculation can be applied to all the select rows that has been existing in that particular table. You can also click the tick mark, or you can click or press Ctrl plus Enter key in your keyboard to autofill this suggestion. So I need only to total all these marks. So I'm just clicking this tick button. So this particular total of all the four subjects mark will be added and summed up like this. As you can see in the formula bar, it gives the summation of all the four subjects. So I have applied the formula addition or sum in this total. And next calculation is going to apply percentage. So I'm just clicking on this percentage and I can ask this average function to apply average. So average of this subject divided by 4 mark divided by 4 subjects. I can click on enter, and once automatically, like in the previous column total, it gives an auto suggestion to autofill the percentage. Here also I'm just clicking on the tick mark so that the percentage of this particular students can able to retrieve it very easily. So simple calculation of total and percentage I have done, and I have prepared an internal mark list. So I can give the heading as CIA 1, and I can able to give give this heading bold, and I can also increase the size, and also I can, if I need, I can also able to change the color. So once now I have prepared the internal marks list by giving this the student name, register number, subject marks, and I have found the calculation by totaling and by finding average. So the first part, there is 15th question has been completed, and second 16th question in Google Sheet, there is 16th question is to share this particular sheet with via a link. So before that I can able to save this sheet in the name CIA1, so that name exists in the my drive as CIA1. Now, on the right, you can see share button. Once you click on the share button, you can able to share this particular Google Sheet with your friends. So that here I can able to give their name, and I can give a notify message, and I can choose this editor and can choose this editor option, and I can click on this send, so that this particular Google Sheet can be shared with another one person, like that a message displays, so that they can also able to access this Google Sheet, since that particular person may be the co-staff or the co-teacher for the subject for this class. So the second question also we have completed, and the third part is to insert the chart. So what I'm going to do is I can just select the range, and I can click on this insert chart. I can choose insert menu and chart option, or else see here insert chart icon is available. I can click on this insert chart icon button, so that charts can be inserted like this. See, this is a range that I have been selected, that is from D8 to J17 is the range that has been selected. If you need, you can also add another range. For example, if you don't want the particular ranges to be displayed, you can just remove, so that the subject, everything goes and only the student name and the percentage exist. So you can see this is the percentage and the total that exists. You can also select that particular customize by giving the chart style, chart axis and title. You can give the title everything, or title font you can customize over here, and you can give the legend also. Everything you can able to customize in this chart. So this is the chart, and if I need to change this particular column chart, I can also give. That is, from this I can able to see this particular student percentages like this. Stacked area stuff I can give, and I are also can able to give this pie chart. Like this, I can able to change the particular chart type what I need. Anything I can able to customize, and I can include in this particular sheet by inserting the chart option. I can also able to drag and move a particular to a particular location where I need. And the last part of the question that is being asked is to download in a PDF, XLS, or in CSV format. So after completing this particular file and inserting chart and doing some simple calculation and sharing this particular file with my friend, and I can go to file menu and choose on this download option. There you can see various options like Microsoft Excel, .xlx, .ods, open document format, .pdf, web page, HTML, comma separated, anything. So for the demo purpose, I'm just clicking on this .pdf document, so that this particular sheet will be in the PDF document, giving this as export as a current sheet. Only one sheet I'm going to export, so I'm just clicking on this export button, and you can see this message downloading PDF. See, this PDF has been downloaded, and I also can open it, and I can view that PDF. See, the particular mark statement has been included in this PDF file, and it has been downloaded. And another option is to download it in Excel file. So I'm just clicking on Microsoft Excel, so that that particular file opens in Excel. It is opening. I can able to resize this chart also. If I need, I can resize. It's opening. Meanwhile, I can also able to download that comma separated value also. These three options are asked in the question. So I'm downloading it in the three different format and I'll show in this demo. See here it has been opened in Excel. I'm clicking on this enable editing option. See, it has been open in Excel. This is Excel sheet, and you can also able to view in this Excel all the different options of chart, total, percentage, etc. And the third option is .csv. As you know, it is a comma separated file. It will also be displayed or open one in Excel, but you can able to view the difference between Excel sheet. Here that is being represented in the tabular column, but here it is a comma separated file. It just only you will have the values. So these are the three different options. There is a question that has been asked in 18th question that is to download in playlist format. So in Google Sheets, we're going to create a simple calculation by using internal mark statement and by sharing it and by giving a chart for the different data range values, and we're downloading that particular sheet file when PDF or an Excel or a CSV. So these are the different options can be available in Google Sheets. So thanks for watching all the Internet Basics video series. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.